Stop thinking Nvidia is just a GPU company. Really, if you think Nvidia's future lies solely in data center AI chips, you've overlooked their groundbreaking announcement for 2026. Nvidia is gearing up to revolutionize the personal computer space. Enter the RTX Spark, a superchip heralded as the new superchip for the era of personal AI agents. Jensen Huang made this revelation at Compute's Taipei, claiming, "This reinvention of computer is as big as phone to smartphone." The aim? AI agents like OpenClaw running directly on your PC, not in the cloud. Major brands like Lenovo, HP, Dell, and Microsoft Surface are all set to launch RTX Spark PCs this autumn, with Acer and Gigabyte following suit. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella stated, "RTX Spark marks a real breakthrough." An analyst noted that Nvidia is shifting from being a mere component supplier to an architecture owner, a major threat to existing PC chip manufacturers. In this video, I will break down what this means, and at the end, I will share 3 secrets to reshape your view of the PC industry. I'll admit something, I thought the PC chip market was settled. Intel for CPUs, Nvidia for GPUs, and Apple for premium ARM chips. But when Jensen Huang took to the stage, I realized that Nvidia isn't satisfied with just being a component supplier. They aim to own the architecture. So today, we'll delve into the RTX Spark, the vision behind these AI agents, Nvidia's strategic partnerships with leading PC manufacturers, the challenges it poses to Apple, and the complex US-China export rules. By the end, you will grasp why this move is Nvidia's boldest yet. Let's go deeper into what RTX Spark truly represents. This superchip is designed to run AI agents directly on a user's PC, offering autonomous software such as OpenClaw that performs tasks without sending sensitive data to the cloud. Most current AI operates in data centers, which raise issues of latency and privacy. RTX Spark is a game changer, bringing AI processing to the edge, your desk, your laptop, safeguarding your privacy. Nvidia is promoting more than a chip. They are presenting a vision where PCs are equipped with their own AI brains. And they have convinced giants Microsoft, Lenovo, HP, and Dell to support this transformative shift. The list of RTX Spark partners reads like a who's who of the PC industry. By autumn 2026, Lenovo, HP, Dell, Microsoft Surface, Asus, and MSI are all set to launch compatible PCs. This impressive alliance means Nvidia has locked in 3 of the 4 largest Windows PC manufacturers, covering about 75% of the global PC market. Microsoft's endorsement plays a vital role. With Nadella's support, Nvidia is not competing against PC makers. Instead, they are collaborating with them, effectively sidelining Intel and AMD from the AI PC narrative. Why buy an Intel CPU and a separate Nvidia GPU when you can buy one Nvidia superchip? Now, let's explore what this shift signifies for Nvidia. As noted by a Forrester analyst, Nvidia is moving from a component supplier to an architecture owner. This strategic change reflects a significant ambition. While component suppliers make parts for others, architecture owners design entire systems that other companies build around. Historically, Apple has owned the Mac architecture, while Intel had a grip on the PC architecture. With RTX Spark, Nvidia is aiming to establish itself in the AI PC architecture, entering direct competition with Apple, Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm. Now, let's address the potential price of RTX Spark. Experts suggest it will come with a significant cost, positioning it as a workstation-class performance product. This indicates that RTX Spark PCs won't be budget-friendly options but premium devices aimed at professionals, creators, and AI enthusiasts. Nvidia is not striving to win on volume, they prefer to focus on value. If RTX Spark enables AI agents that save you hours of daily work, businesses will find the investment worthwhile. Higher price points aren't problematic if accompanied by strong value propositions. Nvidia is selling productivity, not just chips. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with 3 secrets that connect everything we've discussed. Secret number 1, the architecture owner premium. While traditional component suppliers compete on price and specs, architecture owners build ecosystems. Once developers create AI agents for RTX Spark, switching costs increase, creating a barrier for users to leave, essentially, a moat around Nvidia in the marketplace. Secret number 2, the tipping point for edge AI. Cloud AI has its challenges: latency, privacy, and costs. RTX Spark makes edge AI more viable, potentially catapulting it into mainstream use. Secret number 3, the risk related to Windows monopoly. Nvidia may have powerful partnerships, but it's crucial to monitor Apple's reaction. If they respond robustly, Nvidia's impact could be limited to the Windows half of the market. So, what should you do with this information? If you are a PC maker, you must decide: produce RTX Spark PCs or risk being left behind. The demand for AI PCs is real. For Apple investors, keep an eye on their response. Nvidia's RTX Spark has raised the bar, and Apple cannot afford to ignore this. AI investors should note that RTX Spark expands Nvidia's addressable market significantly. Every PC could become an AI device, bolstering Nvidia's long-term growth outlook. Interestingly, the biggest potential winner from RTX Spark could be Microsoft as well. With Nvidia's AI chips, Windows PCs could finally stand a chance against Macs in terms of AI capabilities. Now, I want to hear from you. Will you be investing in an RTX Spark PC this autumn, or will you wait to see Apple's response? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. Like and subscribe for more insights about Nvidia and the future of computing. Until next time.